again to another studio vlog. So it's been a while since I posted anything at all, more so the studio vlogs. And 2 days ago, I came across one of the illustrators that I follow on YouTube. Her name is Emma Carpenters. And while watching her studio vlog, I was reminded how I love watching those kinds of videos and how I enjoyed filming and sharing my process as much as I can. And so here I am again on the month of Artisan Paperie's anniversary. That's gonna be on July 8th. So I will try my best to film as much as I can and share with you what's happening in the studio while I prepare for the anniversary. So I'm gonna share with you quickly a few of the things that I'm gonna prepare for the anniversary kit. So I have another journal coming up. Last year I came up with this journal, this one, and so this year I have another journal. So it's gonna be in olive with a die cut of this flower, and once you open it, there's a vellum inside. So it's a bit fancy.
Intentional naman ang ano sa'yo.
Alright.
If that is something that you're doing. If you order from manufacturers, before you order themselves sometimes, yeah, I'd say just take the pressure off, start by planning a few Okay, what color do you want to use? What color is that? Brown. Oh, so you have to paint this one. Now, do you see the line? Here, there's a line. You can paint one color here and then one color here at the bottom. Popsicle stick is different, okay? Alright, so what do you want to color in the top? I think this one is peach. This is the pink. There you go. Okay, we're gonna use a small thing brush. Okay. Closer. Hold the popsicle.
What flavor is your popsicle?
Brown and pink.
What flavor is that? Chocolate?
Chocolate.
You're painting everything with blue? Even the icing? This is what I've been doing in the computer a while ago. I'm making a prototype for a sticker folder. So apparently I printed the wrong side for the logo, and I'm gonna cut this one for pocket, and then this is where the sticker will be filed. So I actually wanted the stickers to be fastened here using the one head fastener, but some of my stickers will be cut with so anyway, some of the stickers are not yet doesn't have a punch hole guide yet, so I'm gonna check if I can arrange the rest, and then I will check if this one fits on the cover. No, just wait for your turn now. No more, don't touch na, don't touch. Hi. Okay, so we're about to end the day now. Okay, so so far I'm done for today. I'm gonna share with you what I did for the kit. Okay, so I'm gonna include another sticker. Okay, this one. This is an old design, but this was never really released. And I also changed the size of it, so I'm still thinking of adding another sticker sheet. This time there's no really theme for the design, except that it is more of an add-ons to the kit, since I already have few collections in the kit. So I was thinking I'll just include add-ons for the journaling instead of the entire new design. And one thing I'm really excited about that goes well, and that also for the accessories, or for the add-ons, is this sticker folder. I've been meaning to get a sticker folder for myself, but I keep on forgetting. So anyway, I thought of making my own as well. So this is the best time really, because I think right now I already have a lot of sticker sheets. So this is actually a sticker organizer or a sticker folder where you can put in well, basically the size of my stickers. So if you have another size, I'm also thinking of adding an A5, but for now the available size is for the regular traveler's notebook. So this is what it looks like inside. This is still a mock-up though. I will probably change the logo at the back here. This is the very first mock-up, and then I added a pocket, and then I might make this a little bit smaller. And this part, I'm actually thinking of the one head fastener. I'm not sure what it's called. However, some of my stickers will be cut if I'm gonna do that. So let's say this one, so I can't punch a hole here, so I need to adjust the other stickers. Hey, I need to adjust the other stickers first before I'll do that. So let's see. And then I have a pocket here. So if you want to add something, just like this one, you can do this. Or if you want to add another thing, like you have other embellishments, you can add here. So if you're not gonna use this for my sticker, you can use it for other things like ephemera or like other journaling things. This one though is really purposely for the sticker sheets. So I'm still thinking if I'm gonna add pocket here, just in case that if you want to get this and you don't have my sticker sheets. So let's see about that, because the paper size is really too small, so I cannot extend this anymore here, if you know what I mean. Anyway, I'm gonna show you how to use this. Basically, you just insert it like this, and then like that. So if you have your if you have your notebook or the refill, then you can have the folder in the middle or at the back, whichever you wanna put it. So yeah, I'm quite excited for this one. Another thing, so yeah, I showed this to you a while ago. I wasn't able to make few more of this, but because I was making the prototype, but I will make some faster. I'm gonna make some more, and then and for the button pins, I'm thinking of not adding the resin anymore because it's turning it into color yellow. So I'm anyway, this one is actually waterproof already. So oops, not too close. So okay, yeah, here, dito. Yeah. Okay, thank you. All right, not too close. We're covered na. So yeah, I'm thinking I'm not gonna put resin anymore. So yeah, we'll see about that. Okay, atras na. Thank you. You hold this one. Hold this. Okay, all right. So that's about it. I hope you enjoyed this very quick what do you call this? Studio vlog. Yeah, and we'll see you again on our next video. On our next
video.
All right. Bye-bye.
Bye.